A very good morning, students. Today I will explain you Unit 7, Section C, The Merchant of Venice. Question answers of this chapter. This is from class 8th, the English channel. First of all, we will do read to understand. A part. Answer these questions with reference to the context. First question. I take full responsibility for my actions. A. Question A. Who said this? Who was he or she responding to? Answer. Shylock said this in response to Portia's speech on mercy. B part. What does this response reveal about his or her attitude? रिवील मीन्स शो करना, ठीक है, उसके एटीट्यूड के बारे में ये रिस्पॉन्स क्या रिवील करता है? आंसर. ही वॉज मर्सीलेस एंड वॉज डिटरमाइंड टू हैव हिज पाउंड ऑफ फ्लैश. तो वो बहुत ही दयाहीन था, मतलब उसमें कोई दया नहीं थी, निर्दयी था. एंड ही वॉज वेरी डिटरमाइंड टू टेक हिज पाउंड ऑफ फ्लैश. Second part. That can't happen. There is no power in Venice that can change an established law. A part. Who spoke these words? Answer. Portia spoke these words. B. Who was the person responding to? Who was the response expected from? Answer. Portia was responding to Bassanio's request to the Duke to bend the law. द डूक वॉज एक्सपेक्टेड टू रिस्पॉन्ड. देखो, डूक से मतलब उसने आंसर मांगा था लेकिन पोर्शिया ने दिया है ना. आंसर. क्वेश्चन सी. व्हाट डज डेट रेफर टू इन द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस? आंसर. डेट रेफर्स टू बेंडिंग द लॉ, चेंजिंग ए डिसीजन इन फेवर समवन. डी पार्ट. व्हाट रीजन डज द स्पीकर गिव फॉर व्हाई डेट कांट हैपन? Answer. That can't happen because the change would be recorded as a precedent and many wrong legal decisions will result. Third part. I beg your honor to declare the verdict. A part. Who uttered these words? Uttered means spoke. Answer. Antonio spoke these words. B. When did the speaker make this request? Answer. The speaker made this request after Shylock refused the offer of 3 times the money and Portia's request to tear up the contract. C part. Why was the speaker in such haste for the judgment to be declared? Declare means announce करना, haste means जल्दबाजी. Okay? कि वो जल्दबाजी में क्यों था जजमेंट के लिए? कौन? शाइलॉक, है ना. Answer. The speaker was in such haste for the judgment to be declared because he was sure that Shylock would take his revenge and the court proceedings also seemed to go in favor of Shylock. Fourth part. Is that what the agreement says? A question. Who asked this question? Answer. Shylock asked this question. B part. Who was it addressed to? Answer. The question was addressed to Portia. C. What aspect of agreement was the speaker referring to? Why did he or she ask this question? Answer. The speaker was referring to having a surgeon present at the time when a pound of flesh would be taken from Antonio. He asked this question because Portia called a surgeon to be present to attend to Antonio and he was supposed to pay the surgeon, but he was sure it was not in the agreement. Now students, there are so many sentences, sorry, 10 sentences, or you have to, these are disorganized, okay, so you have to organize in the correct way. आपको उसी वे में अरेंज करना है जिस वे में जो ये इंसिडेंट है हैपन हुए हैं, ठीक है, इस तरीके से आपको इनको अरेंज करने हैं. तो देखो, सबसे पहले क्या हुआ था, देखो आप इनको याद कर लोगे तो आपकी समरी भी हो जाएगी इस चैप्टर की. देखो, सबसे पहले क्या हुआ था, एंटोनियो बोरोड ए ह्यूज सम ऑफ मनी फ्रॉम शाइलॉक, है ना. सेकंड, एंटोनियो कुड नॉट रिपे दी मनी बिकॉज ही शिप्स सैंक, है ना, वो रिपे नहीं कर पाया. थर्ड, शाइलॉक टुक एंटोनियो टू कोर्ट एंड रिफ्यूज टू शो मर्सी, और उसने मर्सी दिखाने से मना कर दिया, कोर्ट में लेके गया एंटोनियो को. फोर्थ है, बेसानियो एक्यूज शाइलॉक ऑफ बीइंग इविल एंड मेलिशियस. बेसानियो ने शाइलॉक को एक्यूज किया, क्या बोला उसको, तुम इविल, तुम्हारी जो इंटेंशंस है वो इविल है और मेलिशियस है. मेलिशियस मीन्स हेटेड वाली है. और फिफ्थ है, शाइलॉक वाज ऑफर्ड 3 times द अमाउंट बोरोड. ओके, नाउ 6 है, शाइलॉक एग्री टू टेक द प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट. सॉरी, इसके बाद है, द कोर्ट अवॉर्डेड ए पाउंड ऑफ फ्लैश टू बी एक्सट्रैक्टेड विदाउट शेडिंग ए ड्रॉप ऑफ ब्लड. एक्सट्रैक्ट मीन निकालना, ठीक है. उसके बाद क्या हुआ, शाइलॉक एग्री टू टेक द प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट बिकॉज दैट वाज नॉट पॉसिबल. तो क्या हुआ, शाइलॉक रेडी हो गया क्या लेने के लिए, प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट लेने के लिए रेडी हो गया. एंड ही सेड लेट हिम गो. 9th, पोर्शिया पनिश्ड शाइलॉक फॉर अटेम्प्टिंग टू किल एंटोनियो. 10th, half of Shylock's wealth was willed to his daughter and son-in-law. Okay, students. Now let us see C part. Answer these questions. Question 1. Why do you think Shylock refused to have a surgeon attend to Antonio? Answer. He refused to have a surgeon attend to Antonio because he wanted Antonio to die. Question 2. How did Portia use Shylock's terms of agreement to save Antonio's life? Answer. Portia referred to Shylock's agreement in which a pound of flesh was expressly stated. No blood was mentioned. So Portia insisted that since the agreement did not mention blood, Shylock could not remove any blood from Antonio's body, and it was very difficult for Shylock to cut exactly 1 pound of flesh without shedding a single drop of blood. This is how Portia used Shylock's term of agreement to save Antonio's life. Question 3rd. Did Shylock's opinion of Portia as the most learned judge change? Why? When do you think this change of opinion would have come out? Answer. Shylock's opinion of Portia changed after he realized he could not fulfill the terms, that is, cutting exactly 1 pound of flesh without shedding a single drop of blood. Question 4. Why do you think Portia insisted on the penalty and the agreement? Answer. Shylock did not respond to the appeals to show mercy and insisted on his agreement. That's why Portia insisted on the penalty and the agreement. Question number 5. Do you think the Duke was just and merciful? Why? Answer. The Duke was just and merciful because when Portia subjected Shylock for conspiring against the citizen of Venice, he pardons Shylock and grants him his life. Conspiring beta, षड्यंत्र रचना. Discuss and write. First question. Who do you think showed the greatest mercy, the Duke, Portia or Antonio? Justify your response. Answer. I think Antonio showed the greatest mercy because he did not take any of the wealth accorded to him. He made Shylock put the other half in trust with him for Shylock's daughter and son-in-law. Question 2. Comment on the character of Portia based on the extract. Answer. Portia is intelligent and quick-witted. She disguises herself as a man and then assumes the role of lawyer's apprentice, whereby she saves the life of Bassanio's friend Antonio in court. She wins her case by referring to the details of the exact language of the law. That's why she was very intelligent and quick-witted in whole play. So this is all, students. I hope you all have understood. Thank you for watching the video and please subscribe my channel to see more videos like this.